Good morning. Today I will discuss about class 1st chapter 8 switch on and switch off the computer. This is for English medium students. Okay, for all boards. Switch on and switch off computer. This chapter covers steps for switching on the computer. Second, steps for switching off the computer. These are buttons used for switching on and switching off the computer. This is switch off button, switch on button. This is switch on button. Hello children. Computer is very sensitive machine. There is a correct way to switch on or switch off a computer. Let us study the correct methods to operate it. Steps for switching on the computer. Switching on a computer is called starting the computer. If you want to switch on computer, it means you want to start a computer. To switch on the computer, follow the given steps. Step first. First of all, remove the covers from computer and its peripherals, means keyboard, mouse. See here. It is covered. After removing cover, computer will look like this. Step 2. Switch on the main power supply button. What is main power supply button? You can see here. This is the main power supply button. You will switch on this button. Next, switch on the UPS button. What is UPS button? See here. This is UPS and this is UPS button. After the main switch, UPS should be on. But in laptop, UPS is not present. Next step. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Power supply button of the CPU. Okay. This is the power supply button of CPU. It looks like this. Here, blue color. This is power supply button of CPU. Next step. Finally, switch on the computer. Switch on the monitor button. Monitor button, where is it? It may take some time to show the main screen. This is called booting up. Okay, this is booting up. Monitor button, you want to see monitor button? I have seen you in next slide. You will see a welcome screen of Windows. Later on, you will see another screen known as desktop. Okay, after switching on computer, you will see desktop. In desktop, welcome screen. This is welcome screen and this is desktop. This is called desktop. Okay, this is CPU, this is monitor. After switching on computer, you will see this photo. Note, desktop is the first screen that appears after starting the computer. When we start a computer, the computer screen desktop appears that has been shown here. After all the steps, what will happen? This screen will come. Okay. After switching on computer, this screen will come. The mouse pointer will take the shape of either an arrow, this type of arrow, or like a hourglass. The arrow pointer denotes that a computer is now ready to start our work. This is waiting time. This is waiting time. The hourglass pointer denotes that the computer is busy and we need to wait for some time to start our work until the arrow pointer is appears. Okay. When you start a computer, what came? This will come or arrow button will come. This is called pointer. Okay. You will wait for some time. After that, you can work on computer. After that, this screen, finally, this screen will come and you can do what do you want in your computer. This is switch on your computer. And this is the folder inside it. You can on, you can paint, you can watch movies, all things you can do after switching on computer. Next, after switching on, if you want to switch off a computer, steps involved. Steps for switching off the computer. Switching off a computer is called shutting down or turn off computer. If you want to switch off, what it's called? Shutting down or turn off. Sometimes your teacher said that shut down your computer or turn off your computer. You will understand that ma'am is saying switching off a computer. Okay. It is very essential to switch off the computer properly after using it. Why? Otherwise, computer will be destroyed. To switch off the computer in proper manner, follow the given steps. Switch off the computer. Step 1. First of all, click on Start or Windows sign, which can be seen on the left hand side bottom of the computer. See here, this is window and you will click here and you will get this. This is called window sign or start button. Okay. This is start button. Step 2. Click on power option and sub menu will appear. Where is sub menu? After pressing this button and after this, here you will press here, this sub menu will come. Here write switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep. So you will here also written shutdown or log off. You will press that button. Step 3. Now click on the shutdown or turn off computer. The message shutting down will appear. After pressing shutdown button or log off button, the message will appear shutting down. This is the picture. Okay. Step 3. The computer will take few minutes to turn off automatically. Black screen will be seen when it gets turned off. Okay, what will happen? Black screen. When computer will be off, black screen will be come. This is black screen. It means that switch off the computer or shut down computer or turn off computer. Step 4. After the black screen is seen, switch off the monitor button. Here is the monitor button. Here or back side of monitor. You can switch off monitor also. But when you main power supply button you will off, then all things will be off, but not switch off directly. Following this step. Follow this step. Step 5. Switch off the UPS. When the computer is turned off, CPU automatically gets turned off. Step 5. You will switch off this button. Okay, UPS button. When you switch on, you use this button. When you switch off, you will use this button. Step 6. Switch off the main power supply button. You will switch off this main power supply button. Before previous you start from this button and you end from this button. After 10-15 minutes, cover all the computer parts. This keeps the dust away from the computer. Switching off the computer. You can cover your computer. Your computer will be safe. You should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. What harm? I have told you many type of harms occurs. Computer etiquettes. To work on the computer, we should switch on properly. After finishing the work on it, we should be switched off properly. Okay? It means that if you switch on your computer, then it should be properly. When you switched off your computer, it should be properly. To follow these steps which I tell you. If you want to restart a computer, you will use this button. This is the main switch button, but this is, you are seeing white button. If you want to restart a button, you will use this button. Except shutdown, we can also restart our computer from the power option. For this, we have to choose restart option from there. In menu also restart button is here. You can see here restart. You can restart your computer from this button also. Okay. Next. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel Study and Competition World and follow on Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter. This is for class first. Thank you.